Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. Today, we are going to learn about the Dutch letter B. The Dutch B is pronounced as B, similar to the English B but softer at the end. Listen carefully. Say it with me. B. Now, repeat after me. B. Once more. B. Let's practice it a few more times. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it again. B. Now a little faster. B. And once more at normal speed. B. A common mistake is confusing B with P. Make sure to pronounce B with a soft but clear B sound. One more time. B. Let's say it 3 more times together. First, slowly. B. Now, a little faster. B. Finally, at normal speed. B. Great job. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.